Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Intelsat and Phasor have partnered on a new antenna technology to enable Ku-band broadband connectivity to civil and government small jet aviation marketplace. Phasor's ultra-thin phased array antennas optimised for the Intelsat Epic platform will enable high-performing, cost-efficient Ku-band broadband connectivity, offering service providers and aircraft operators catering to civil and government small jet markets greater access, flexibility and choice for their broadband connectivity needs in the sky. Phasor's ultra-thin fuselage mount active array antenna is expected to deliver significantly higher broadband speeds to civil and government small jets via Intelsat Epic Ku-band satellites. The antenna's small size and low profile allows for easy integration onto small jet aircraft structures. Being fully electronic, the antenna will be able to seamlessly and reliably steer to beams on Intelsat's global Ku-band satellite fleet. To tell us more about Phasor and the antennas, we are pleased to be joined by David Helfgott, CEO of Phasor. Thanks for joining us, David. We understand that Phasor is in the final stages of development of the first low-cost, high-throughput flat-panel phased array antenna for use in the air, rail, defence and maritime markets, and that Intelsat has partnered with you for development of an antenna for airborne applications. Can you explain the advantages of such an antenna for these markets?
Thank you, I'd be happy to. Phasor has developed a very thin, conformal, electronically steerable antenna that was purpose-built for comms on the move. So the benefits of such an antenna over traditional mechanically steered antennas are that they are very thin, 1.5 inches high, and therefore aerodynamic. They can be conformal or shaped to the surface of the outside of the vehicle. They have no moving parts, they're solid state, and therefore have less opportunity for failure. And modular, so they can be expanded and increased in size as needed depending on the use case.
David, many companies have tried and failed to develop such an antenna, especially at a commercially saleable cost. Can you explain how the Phasor antenna is different and why you are confident it will be widely accepted in the market?
Yes, we've spent the last 5 years in R&D and gone through versions of this technology to make sure that it's both very capable and cost effective. We have developed 3 different sets of patents around the capability of this system and its modular architecture that make it a very dynamic and very expandable and adaptable array. Additionally, we work closely with our suppliers to make sure that we are taking full advantage of the global RF electronic supply chain, driving our costs as low as we possibly can.
We've heard a lot about the company Kymeta. Could you tell me how Phasor's antenna is different to the ones they produce?
These are 2 different technologies, both in the same ballpark as electronically steerable antennas. So Phasor is an active array using phased array math and what are called elements. Kymeta uses what I understand to be metamaterials, which is a very different and fairly new branch of science for antenna technology. Our antennas, we feel, are better suited for comms on the move. They track faster and they're more broadband enabling. We think Kymeta would be better suited for passive and less on-the-move type applications.
And finally, David, when do you expect the Phasor range to be available for commercial markets?
We target our first products to be available towards the second half of 2016, and then we will roll out new markets and new products after that through 2017.
David, we really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.